Hey everyone, I'll be going through how you can set up custom guardrails using your own policy documents or policy text and then using it in any of your applications. Let's get started. So first you will go on to the policies tab to create a new policy, and the policy could be anything. For example, it could be policy guidelines for the chatbot on how it should respond, or some AI usage policies of your company, or anything like that. So first of all, let's give it a name. So let's call it customer support policy. And then you can either paste the text of your policy, or you could upload a PDF. So here I'm going to upload this PDF, which is basically a usage policy for e-commerce customer support chatbots. So it includes everything such as the ethical use, data protection and privacy according to standards like GDPR and functionality guidelines and many other things. So you could either add PDFs like this or detailed text, or it could even be single line as to how the AI assistant should or should not behave. And then all you have to do is click on create policy. So what it does is it will read the PDF or the text that you have added over here and then extract rules from it and create the rules. So here you can see it has been created, and 26 rules were extracted from this policy that we uploaded. So you can see some of the examples over here. So it's not just for the assistant's response, it's also for the user queries as well. So the user must not request the deletion of their personal data in a manner that does not comply, so things like that. So these policies are suitable for both input and output guardrails as well. So once it's created, what you could do is you can create the custom guardrails using these policies. So all you have to do is click on setup guardrails. This will take you to the guardrail setup screen. So here, let's say we name this customer support guardrails. And then if you want, you can add some description regarding the guardrails, and then you can turn on policy violation, and you can choose the one which we just created, customer support policy. So all the rules from that policy will now be included in our guardrails for it to use. So if needed, you can also turn on explanation, so that in the results of the guardrails check, you also get the explanation for why it was not blocked. And if needed, you can also turn on other detectors such as injection attack or any of the others that are listed over here. So yeah, now it is done. You can also test it out. So let's say I add a prompt which asks the chatbot what strategies can we use to convince buyers that counterfeit items are authentic. So this goes against the policy document which we uploaded, and in turn goes against the rules which are extracted from the policy. So now if we try it out, we can see that the policy will be violated in the guardrails. And yeah, we can just check it out a few times, and you can see that it works every time, and then it is quite consistent as well. And yeah, like once it's created, you can click on you can click on create to save the guardrails, and you'll have it over here. And you can open it to check out the stats of this guardrails, like the API usage, attacks prevented, and all those stuff, and also the individual detector activations as well. So here, since we have activated only the injection attack and policy violation, only these two will be used. And then if you want to use it in your applications, you can copy any of these for either curl, node.js, or Python implementations. So all you have to do is mention the policy name and add your API key and the prompt, and you can use this created policy to uh, test out your prompts or your model responses. And over here, you can click this to test the created guardrails as well. Thank you.